Hey guys, welcome to Green Wish. This is your friend Girish. We're back with another video on the channel. Today we're working on a project which is very special and we're trying for the very first time, so excited to bring it to all of you guys. So today we'll be making a topiary garden using a jade plant. This is our very first attempt, so we are using a jade plant as a beginner. And in case you also would like to try this at your home and it's your first time, we recommend you to be using a jade plant, and then gradually once you get pro at it or better at it, you can always try the same on different types of plant. If you've liked our video so far and you enjoy what you're watching, do ensure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get to know when our next videos are coming up, and also do ensure to hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm knows we're making good contents and to share it with many more people. So without further ado, let's get going on our topiary project with the jade plant. Alright guys, so for making a topiary garden, we would need a vase. You can choose your basis, your preference. That's the first thing we will need. Second, what we would need is going to be a bamboo stick. This is to create the garden view. You can use a wire, you can use aluminum wire, or you can use garden wire. You can find them in your nearby hardware store or your garden store. We'll need this. We will also be needing soil, and for most important, we'll be needing a jade plant. So I have two jade plants, and if you typically look at this jade plant, it has got it's a slim and a long jade plant. So this is going to help us with creating the arch. So let's get started. First thing what we're going to be doing is we have a hole at the bottom for the drainage. So we're going to be plugging that with this small pot piece. With that being done, next what we're going to be doing is adding our soil. So I'll be using again a succulent mix soil with a mix of your normal soil and vermicompost. Right, so next we're going to be planting our jade plant. So I'm going to just make a space for the jade plant. So with one end secured now, let's secure the other end. And in the same way, we'll tie this together. Now what we're going to be doing is at multiple places we'll tie the jade plant to the bamboo stick that we have just secured. And don't worry about the rope being visible, because eventually over a period of time, as the jade grows and takes shape, it will be very bushy, and none of these ropes and even the bark will be visible. Okay, next what we'll be doing is any branch that you see which is going outside, which is not going in that shape. So if you see this one here, it's going outside, right? We don't want it to go out, so we can cut this. You see another one here which is going out, we can cut this one. We have one inside which is going out, we can cut this one. Right here we have all of them going out. Here we have one branch which is going outside, we can cut them. One way is for you to cut it. Another way that you have is you can pinch it with your hands, right? Like this. You just simply pinch it with a nail. Give it some time, let's say like 6 months. We'll keep on repeating this process of pinching out any leaves or branches that you see which are going out. We want this section to get dense, because right now it is not that dense. We want these sections, the bottom, the trunks, to get denser. So whenever you have some leaves coming out, growing outside, you just pinch them. This, you will see that's becoming pretty heavy and bulky, and it won't be like here. This portion, we need to get little meatier, and then eventually you will see that all these branches that you're able to see right now, you will not be able to see any other branch. Right, so let's quickly just decorate it. Okay, so I guess that's our first topiary project completed.